ngihamba isikhathi ngingene high school ngihlale nomunye umjida into engihlanisa nayo ukuthi ke ibongo zeziyafana yabo abantu bayagumede nebethi angizwala nawo bonke
inqwaba futhi abantu bayagumede
that time ngangifunda empoqa it was grade 8 lo mjida wa grade 9 and then kunomunye umjida wami introducer wathi nayintwana la ishayela amabheats ayo awalalela azothi hayi ngisazama ngisazama so lo mjida lo athi ngimnike lempahla ile app le caustic ngimnike caustic lo bhaka igama lakhe unxashi nxashi Sibusiso Gumede ngasemandeni yeah so lo bhaka ngimnike le app and then yena on his side azama ama sample yabo ngabuye ngimini kusena ama sample esigubhu eGqomo yabo
sure
yeah and then we shared ama sample we collaborated naye like yena umuntu owangifundisa collaboration nawe abantu yabo
yeah
wathola ukuthi khona abantu abasenza caustic kanje
sure